kindergarten, welcome back for the letter Y week. I thought it would be fun to go on a little walk in your yard and try to find 5 items in your yard to bring back and measure. Normally we would use our yardsticks that we have in the classroom, but since we're not in the classroom, we're going to have to figure something else to measure with, so we can't use our yardsticks. But you know what I had at my house? I had yellow goldfish. So I'm going to measure with yellow goldfish. You find something at your house to measure with if you don't have yellow goldfish. If you have a yardstick, go ahead and try the yardstick. All right, 5 things. Here's some things that I found in my yard. All right, I found installation from my house. The birds are getting in my house somehow, and they're pulling the installation out, so I have this all over my yard. I have to fix that. I found a pine cone. I found a yellow flower. Thought that was perfect. I found kind of a yellow leaf. And then look at this. Look what letter stick I found in my yard. I couldn't believe it. I think it's a God sign. Found the letter Y in a stick. All right, so don't forget what you need to do first. In your box, your parents will have a paper on their computer that they'll print out for you, and you can record your answers on the paper. All right, so the first thing I found, what are we gonna call this? I'll say pink stuff. Pink stuff. We're just gonna call it pink stuff. All right, this is a pine cone. Do I have to know how to spell these words correctly? Nope, I just do my best. All right, so ooh, that says pin, pine. What's that silent letter at the end that pinches that I and makes it go I? And E, very good. Pine, cone, oh no. Oh, that's a long O. That silent E must be there again, pinching that O to make it say cone, pine cone. All right, I found a yellow flower. You know how to spell yellow. That's a sight word. So let's write that. Let's sound out flower. Full, ow, woof, woof, woof. Some of you say R. Some of you know it's the ER blend. Good job. Either way, it's not a sight word. You're sounding it out. All right, leaf. O, E, what letter? F, you're right. That's the kindergarten way to spell it. The real way to spell it is L-E-A-F. We're not even gonna discuss that, but if you spelt it the kindergarten way, you're right. All right, and then the next one is stick. What 2 letters go st, st? Got it. S, T, st, stick. Good. If you know the real way to spell it, you spell it your way. If you don't know the real way, it's all right. That's what we're learning. All right. So now the next thing I need to do after I label it is measure with my goldfish. Now, your paper's not going to be big enough where you can tape them on, but you just are going to write in this box, and then you can draw me a picture of what your item is, and you're going to measure on the table next to you. So, all right, I'm going to try to measure the pine cone. We'll see if this works since it's upright. So 1, 2, 3, 4. My pine cone, if it was laying down flat, would have taken 4 goldfish, okay? So I'm going to take my marker, my pencil, there you go, Lola, and you're going to put tally marks in this box here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. My pine cone took 4 yellow goldfish. All right, then over here, I'm gonna write my number 4, okay? Just write the number. No fancy 4s here, correct? We don't do fancy 4s in kindergarten. So it's a capital L with a lowercase l through it to make your 4. When you have completed your whole page, you're going to answer the questions on the bottom. Which yard item took the most yellow flowers? Which one of all of yours took the most? The next one says, which yard item took the least amount of yellow fish? Okay. Number 3, which yard item was your favorite? Out of all of your yard items, what was your favorite? Write that down. And then number 4 is the bonus math question again. Mrs. Reeker Murphy's favorite plus your favorite equals. That's going to be a high number. So you're going to need to draw your tens frames to figure out that math problem. I'm going to let you know my favorite today, we're going to say was the pine cone because it's the one I did. So you can go ahead. Mrs. Reeker Murphy's favorite was the pine cone. So go ahead and write pine cone for Mrs. Reeker Murphy. And we knew that it took 4. Okay? So I'm going to put 4 on my tens frame. 4 dots on my tens frame. Now don't forget, if your yard item is longer than 10, you'll move to the next one. But always continue right after mine. All right, I can't wait to see your results and your papers so I can see all the great things that you found in the yard. Have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.